I woke up and I decided to put on a fur coat so I can share this message with you. It's Father's Day. Let's say as fathers are celebrating the fruits of being fathers. Not social media dads who are gladly not dads, social media spam donors who are only fathers on social media when there's barely a trace of their existence in their children's lives. And their excuse is, umama umntwana akafuni ngibona umntwana. Abo baba serious? Abo baba ingane abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazele okusikayo kubo mama ngambona umntana bagijima ama-coach ukuthi lo mfazi ngiyomlwisa even if it's the last thing I do because umntanami and no child of mine will grow up without a father. But ke asikho lapho. Into nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mangabe bongekho elifini yomntwana kwadlula iminyaka neminyaka awusasubaba wena. Even if you do decide to resurface or take on responsibility, uncle, you are going to be Uncle Smangmang. My husband and myself will father and mother our children. When? Uncle.